How to edit or update your Upwork profile. First of all, open your browser and log into your Upwork account. Next, click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select your profile from the drop-down menu. This is where you can edit or update all aspects of your Upwork profile. Start by reviewing your profile photo. Make sure it's a professional, clear headshot that makes a good first impression. Then check your profile title. Update it to reflect your current skills, expertise, or the type of work you want to attract. A strong, relevant title will help clients find you more easily. Highlight your experience, recent projects, and what makes you unique. Make sure your text is clear, concise, and free from errors. Scroll down to your skills section. Add new skills or remove outdated ones to keep your profile aligned with your current services. Update your portfolio by adding recent projects or improving description for existing items. Showcase your best work to attract more clients. Review your work experience, education, certifications, and hourly rate, making sure all information is accurate and up to date. Finally, check your languages, location, and other profile details. Once everything is updated, click Save to ensure all changes are applied. Now you know how to edit or update your Upwork profile effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.